typical software solution requires a networking and computing infrastructure, an application runtime environment, such as databases or application servers, and on top of it, the application is deployed. Clearly, you can do all this on-premise in your data center and virtual machines, but it's nowadays much easier to consume this over the cloud. The reason for this is that all the way up to the application runtime environment, public cloud services provide managed services that deal with the major complexities of operating these systems. This includes the whole element of high availability, the scalability when the workload increases, but also the scalability down when the workload decreases, security, the backup and restore, and monitoring of this. If you run your solution on premise, you need to deal with all of this yourself. And once your business takes off, you might have difficulties to scale with the demands and the requirements of your workload. All of this gets much easier in the public cloud, and therefore we recommend forgetting about the private cloud environments and purely move to the public cloud. One question we get very often asked is whether we can run our solution on premise or through the cloud. While you can technically run the solution on premise, the bigger question is, why would you do that? Nowadays, software solutions require quite complex runtime environments. This includes the networking and compute infrastructure, as well as the application runtime environments, such as databases or application servers like Kubernetes clusters. While you can technically run this on-premise, this infrastructure, it's a very hard job to achieve the required level of high availability, security, and robustness for these infrastructure components. It's very unlikely that you have the know-how required in your house to run and operate them, and more importantly, to continuously improve and upgrade them with new versions that arise in the market. Therefore, we strongly recommend to consume solutions for the public cloud. In the public cloud, managed services exist for all of these components, and the public cloud provider deals with the complexity of a lot of the non-functional elements, such as security, scalability, robustness, as well as the whole monitoring, backup, and restore mechanisms of this. You can consume them as a service and deploy your software on top of it, and therefore it provides so much benefit compared to running and operating it in your on-prem environment.